A portion of this video is sponsored by PVO. They have given this unit to me for free so I can test, and because it's a sponsored video, I'll be providing a free unit, and later on in the video, I will give you the instruction how you can win one. In order for me to be able to test this, I wanted to have a better quality screen for me to do my projector testing instead of just projecting on the walls. So I have purchased this 16:9 100-inch portable screen that I'm gonna do an unboxing as well. So we're gonna be doing 2 unboxing. We're gonna set this up, hook this up. Let's go. What's up everybody? My name is Sean. Welcome to my tech channel. If this is the first time you're stopping by, thank you so much. Hopefully you enjoy this video. If you enjoy content like this, please remember to subscribe and turn on the notification so you won't miss my future videos. First, let me tell you the instruction how you can win one of these projectors. There will be a secret code embedded into this video. If you decode it, you find out what it is. All you have to do, just type it down in the description below, and that's all you need to do to enter, assuming you've already subscribed and liked the video. Many of the mini projectors you have seen on Amazon, they are the YG300 model. This is the YG300 Pro model. They have increased the resolution, quality, as well as its brightness a little bit. What's unique and nice about this unit is it is a true portable projector to the point you can just use a power bank to power it up. So even if you're outside in your backyard, you don't even need an outlet to be able to power this on. There's a coupon for a free gift, an owner's manual that talks about the unit as well as its controller. And look how tiny this thing is. This is the entire unit. This is my iPhone 11 Pro Max. Just take a look at it. You have a dial for the focus ring. This does not have a keystone adjustment. You have nice tactile button for the menus at the top. In the back, you have your power adapter, headphone jack, AV port, as well as a micro SD card. And on the other side, you have DC in, HDMI, and USB. At the bottom, you see the place where you can actually mount this to your tripod as well. What else do we have? We have a power brick, an HDMI cable, a remote controller, and I don't know who uses this cable anymore. So instead of using its power adapter, I want to just use a power bank to power this up. All right, so to use a power bank, you would just plug in the USB-A to the micro USB in the back, and you should have power. So we know this is powered on. Let's go ahead, unbox this. I'll probably have to change my lens so you guys can see what the hell I'm doing here. Real quick, I just want to mention something. If you're trying to get a portable screen, there are essentially 2 kinds you can get. They're the ones that you will have the legs on both sides. They essentially are a little bit more stable and secure, but every time you want to put it up and take it away, it may take a little bit longer, but because the screen is typically has to be mounted and fixed to the frame, but when you collapse it, it becomes a lot more portable. The other option is this one. You basically have your leg and you have the screen, and the screen would roll in its housing. It's a little bit of a cleaner setup. It's a lot faster, but the downside is this is as small as it will get. Essentially everything will collapse, but you're still gonna have these 2 long tubes, one for the leg and one for the screen itself or the housing that it would roll into. There's this pouch or carrying case of some kind. This screen was $110 after a $20 coupon they had. All right, this is it. Nothing else in the box. Like the leg is actually attached to the middle of the screen. So do you know how typically in the screens you actually pull the screen down? So it looks like this one, the housing is at the bottom and you pull it up. This is big. What the hell am I gonna do with it? Talk about the unit real quick. The remote control, you have a simple on and off, mute button, fast forward, pause, rewind, a joystick, as well as menu input and volume. So pretty straightforward. We already talked about the unit, what it has on this. Now, who's this product for? So obviously, for the most part, you pay for its size and portability. So you just have to see, will you have the use for this? So for example, your kid could have it in their hand and project their cartoons or whatever educational they're watching on the wall or on the TV. And it's very easy to operate by pretty much most childs. And you just have to show them how to plug it in and how to select an input. As far as the screen go, I really like this screen. I wish the legs were a little bit thicker. It seems they use hollow construction. The reviews seem really good on Amazon, so I assume no one's having any problem. I just wish they would use more of like a solid tripod. Hopefully you guys had a chance to actually find the secret code. All you have to do is just type it down in the comments below, and that's how you can enter the giveaway for the PVO YG300 Pro model. So how about its quality and brightness? So you guys obviously saw the images that I put up. This was in a fairly pitch black room. Once you have no lights, it's actually very visible and very usable. But with a little bit of a light, because this is not, this can only produce so much brightness, then you would lose a little bit of that quality. So it is highly recommended. If you use this, make sure you can use it in an area that is not lit. The speakers, they're just mediocre, to be honest with you. But the good thing is you actually do have an auxiliary port that you can hook it up to an external speaker, maybe something like this. So you can get high quality portable speaker, and then you get your power bank, and then you get your portable projector. The next thing you know, you got a portable movie theater. If you guys enjoyed this, please give this video a like and comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about this setup. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.